Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are fine. Welcome in your online classes. Student, as you know, in our physical class we had learned about present indefinite tense. So today we are going to do its fair work. For fair work you have to take grammar fair copy and take your pencil. For fair work you have to maintain your page. First you have to make second margin line and then you will put here today's date. Give heading present indefinite tense. Right here page number 1. It is used to express an action in present time. Put full stop. Helping verb do. Do will use with I, we, you, they and plural noun. Does we will use with he, she, it and singular noun. He, she, it and singular noun we will add s or es at the end of verb. Its formation, subject, then we will put here first form of the verb and then object. Turn your copy page, write here affirmative sentence. Examples. First example is I play a game. Put full stop. Second example is she gets up early in the morning. Put full stop here. Negative sentence. When we will make negative sentence, then we will use this formation. Subject, helping verb, not, first form of the verb and then object. I do not play a game. Put full stop. She does not get up early in the morning. Put full stop. Interrogative sentence. When we will make our sentence in interrogative, then we will use this formation. Helping verb, subject, first form of the verb, object and question mark. First you will write here helping verb. Do I play a game? Do I play a game? Put question mark at the end of question. Does she get up early in the morning? Put full stop. Make 5 sentences. Grammar homework you will make portion in your grammar fair copy. Make 5 sentences of present indefinite tense in affirmative form and then you will convert them in negative and also in interrogative. Send me your homework at the time in WhatsApp group. Take care. Allah Hafiz.